Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are cooking banana chips for lunch. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And if you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. We start by peeling green bananas. We peel manually. Life in the village is so sweet. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. We are located in Embu, Kenya, Africa. Kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 4,000 subscribers, way to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly watch my long videos, watch my short videos, so that we can reach 4,000 watch hours. This is an African mom, an African queen.
Taste.
Remember, we are cooking banana chips for lunch. The food is ready. We are ready to remove from the frying pan so that we can serve it. The food is ready. The food is ready. We will serve it with kachupari. Kachupari is onions and tomatoes and salt. We will serve with kachupari salad, which is very delicious. Let me know in your country how do you cook it. Kindly leave a good comment for your mom. You can see the food is delicious and yummy. Kindly leave a good comment. Leave a good comment. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next video.